So if you are also a beginner struggling to find a perfect skincare routine, this is the video for you. Because in this video, I'm gonna share my simplest 3-step skincare routine that I usually do when I'm like super lazy and don't want to do my skincare routine. Like these are the steps that I follow at that point of time. Also, whenever I'm running late in the morning and I'm lazy to do my skincare routine, again, these 3 steps is something that I do to get an instant boost of hydration and glow on my skin before leaving my house. And one more thing I would like to mention here before starting the video is that this routine is suitable for all skin types. Like the products that I'm gonna recommend today, they are suitable from normal, oily, acne prone to sensitive skin. So this routine includes 3 simple steps, and you can use this routine in the daytime as well as in the night time. It's suitable for both. For cleanser, we have the cosrx low pH balance good morning cleanser. Now products that I'm going to mention in this video are also budget friendly and very effective on the skin. So this particular cleanser costs $11 and is formulated with tea tree oil and natural PHA to refine your skin. It also has a pH level that is closest to our skin's pH level, which makes it very gentle on the skin, and it leaves your skin feeling very soft and refreshed. The best part about this cleanser is that it is so soft on the skin, but it soaks up very nicely, which leaves your skin super clean and hydrated at the same time. It doesn't strip off moisture from your skin. It makes your skin feel like very clean and refreshed, but not dry and stretchy. Like by this time I've used a lot of different cleansers from the Korean market, but this particular product is something I always reach out to, and I always want to restock on this particular product. That's how much beautiful the consistency of the product is and how clean it makes your skin feel. And it is the most affordable cleanser that I've ever used. It's the cheapest out of all of them, but this is also the most effective out of all of the other cleansers that I've used. So if you are a beginner, don't think further, invest in this particular product. And if you have super oily skin, they do have a salicylic acid version of this cleanser as well that is suitable for that particular skin type. Otherwise, this is suitable for all skin types, and it's an amazing must-have cleansers that you will not gonna regret buying. Number 2 in our list is the toner, and the toner that I'm gonna talk about is again suitable for all skin types, and that is the ginseng toner from Beauty of Joseon. Now this particular product is packed with 80% of ginseng root extract, and it is formulated with Korean herbs. This is like the best toner that I've ever tried. It makes your skin feel so refreshed. It also contains 2% of niacinamide, which further help in brightening your skin. This toner has the most amazing consistency that I've ever tried. And if you walk through my channel, you can see like I've tried a lot of different toners, and I talked about quite a lot of Korean toners. But this is the toner that I would recommend to all the beginners who do not have much knowledge about skincare. This is gonna give you beautiful looking radiant skin, and it's gonna be suitable for all skin type. Now for all my oily skin people, this does contain adenosines that help in controlling the sebum secretion in your skin, and because of the presence of ginseng root water, it also helps with the wrinkles and smile lines on your face. Now, ginseng is a powerhouse of antioxidant, works perfectly for aged and matured skin. So that is the reason it is suitable for all skin types. It gives your skin beautiful hydration. It helps in controlling the oil levels of your skin. It also helps with matured skin. So it is an amazing product that goes deep down into your skin and helps with all those skin concerns. So number 3 and the final step is the moisturizer. Now I did consider a lot of different moisturizer before filming this video, but this is the moisturizer again that stood out in the list, and that is the Beauty of Joseon. And this is a beautiful moisturizer for beginners. This hydrates your skin so well without leaving any sticky feeling on the skin. It also helps with your wrinkles and dryness issues. And also if you are someone with very dull skin and you want to brighten up your skin, this is the product you should go for. These 3 products combined, if you use in a routine, you will gonna get a beautiful refreshed and glowy skin afterwards. This cream is a lifesaver for difficult skin. and it is suitable for sensitive skin as well. These are the products that I personally use when I don't have that much time to do my skincare routine, because I know these 3 products are capable of giving me that healthy looking skin, and that is what we all want in a simple skincare routine. And I hope this video is a little helpful for you guys. My channel is completely dedicated to Korean skincare product reviews and beginner skincare guides, so if you are interested in that kind of content, you can subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye.